Hi everybody, this is Tina. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with 2024 31 day Smashbook challenge. I know I'm a day late for day 31, but when you see what I did, you'll understand. By the time my grandchildren left, I was exhausted and I fell asleep and didn't get to day 31, so I'm apologetic. So I just did one full sheet of the kids. And then on this side, I went to April agenda. And so that there's a kind of memory of what's going on with April a little bit. But I'm going to show you some pictures I took, I decided just to do the one instead of doing the Easter egg hunt that we do in the yard. I laughed because my son is right there. He has an Easter egg in his pocket, and it was Coda's. And Coda kept on looking for the one Easter egg, and we kept giving him hints, and he didn't realize where it was. So, just little simple pictures of the kids' Easter egg hunt in our backyard, and weather permitted. Actually, we're really good. It's not muddy, so. But that is my day 31. This was an adventure to go through 31 days of a Smashbook challenge. Now on to April, which as you can see is hand surgeries. So I won't be doing too much crafting. So I got 3 days to do something before my surgery. So I want to thank you guys for watching these videos for the last 31 days. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.